welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to clear your history and your cache in Google Chrome. To start off with, all you need to do is click on the three dots in the top right hand corner of Chrome and go down to Settings. You now need to scroll all the way down and click on Advanced, and we now need to keep scrolling down until you find Clear Browsing Data, and you now have a few options to choose from. You can click on Basic if you just want the basic view, or you can go across to Advanced to have a lot more different options. You can choose a time range to clear from. We can choose the last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or all time. You now need to go through and decide what you want to remove. We want to remove our browsing history and our cookies. Download history we can keep on. Just be careful when removing passwords and login details, because if you don't know your passwords for a website that you log in a lot, then you won't be able to log back in, or you will have to reset the password. We can keep cached images and files selected, because that's how you remove your cache. Once you are happy with your options, you can go ahead and press Clear Data. And there we go, you can now close down Chrome and open it up again, and your history and your cache and everything else you selected will be cleared. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.